You say truckin', we say crown. Truckin', crown, truckin', crown. You say tribe, we say proud. Tribe, proud, tribe, crown. Dip, shift, glow and ride. We the baddest, honey tribe.
Hey, what's up, gang? Today's video ain't gonna be your usual. I'm not here to give you tips, tricks, or none of that. I want to talk about something that most people in the industry don't like to say out loud. Let's get into the dark side of trucking. The part that ain't in no brochures. This side they don't talk about when they hand you that CDL. The part that gets swept under the rug, but it's real. And if you've been out here long enough, you know exactly what I'm talking about. First things first, let's talk about the loneliness. You might have 18 wheels up under you and the whole country in front of you, but inside that cab, it gets quiet, real quiet, too quiet sometimes. Days turn into nights and nights turn into weeks. No hugs, no eye contact, just white lines, gas stations, and rest stops. And if you got problems back at home, relationship issues, sick family, depression, this truck becomes your cage. Your mind starts talking loud. I've had nights where I've cried in silence. I know drivers that ain't make it. They checked in, but they never checked out. Nobody tells you that mental health is a part of the job, but it is. You ever run so hard that you forget what day it is? Sleep deprivation is real out here. I'm talking about driving with one eye open and your body is on autopilot, nodding off at red lights. Some of y'all know that sudden movement when you realize you drifting in the next lane. This ain't safe, but it's common. Then there's the physical toll. Fast food, bad backs, blood pressure through the roof. How many of y'all skipping doctor's appointments because you chasing that cheese? Because you chasing that next load? We get paid to hustle, but at what cost? They don't put that on the side of the truck, but they should. This job can kill you slow if you let it. Let's talk about safety, especially for my female drivers. I ain't gonna sugarcoat it. There are predators out here. People watching you at rest stops, truck stops, knocking on your door at the middle of the night, trying to help when you ain't asked for it. I had moments where I had to sleep with something close to me, just in case. It's just way too many stories of women coming up missing, attacked or disrespected, just for doing the same job as everyone else. Ladies, if you don't remember nothing else, always remember this. Keep your head on swivel. Always trust your gut. Park in the light, lock up, and if something feels off, it probably is. Make sure someone has your location. Put them phones down when you're walking through these truck stops and these rest areas. Pay attention to your surroundings. Always keep you something on you. Pocket knife, a piece of metal. A piece of metal, if you know what I mean. Whatever it takes to keep a motherfucker up off you. Don't be dumb. Don't be naive. Don't be super chatty either. You don't know these folks. You don't know who's following you, who's watching you, who's plotting on you. Try not to dress so provocative. It sends the wrong signal off. I get it. We want to be comfortable out here. But unfortunately, there are creeps out here. Someone might see a little bit too much skin and look at it as an invitation when that's not really what it is. I'm not saying dress like a nun, but I'm saying just be careful. Be self-consciously aware of the clothing that you wear. Stuff that's too revealing, things that's too tight. It's some real life weirdos out here. You'll be surprised by what these men get turned on by. And you just out here being you, trying to be comfortable. Just something to keep in mind, ladies. They tell us not to carry. It is illegal in different states. It might be legal in the state that you live in, but the same laws might not apply in the next state, especially if you are an OTR driver and you're bouncing from state to state, the laws change. But Do whatever you need to do to feel safe. It's better to have it on you than not have it on you at all. If you feel what I'm saying, you know what I'm saying. Now let's talk about home. Trucking will test your relationship. Missed birthdays, holidays, funerals, first steps, anniversaries. You become the face they see only on FaceTime. You ever pull over just to cry after a phone call with your kids? Ever feel like you chasing money but losing everything else that matters? Some folks think we out here living freely. But truth is, we sacrifice a lot just to make sure home stays running. And it hurts sometimes. Especially when folks back home don't understand what it really takes. This industry can chew you up if you're not careful. And I ain't saying this to scare you. I'm saying it because somebody needs to. It's just way too many drivers out here suffering in silence, pretending like it's all good, acting strong when we breaking inside. But guess what, cousin? You ain't weak for feeling like this. And it's okay to say I'm not okay. The first step to surviving this life is being honest about what it really is. So if you out there right now feeling everything I just said, I see you. I feel you. You ain't alone. Drop a comment. Send a message. Reach out. This tribe we building. It ain't just about laughs and good times. It's about healing too. Subscribe if you felt this. And remember, protect your peace, protect your mind, and keep driving on purpose. Your favorite cousin Luck got you.